pull on this magnetic flap and lift. First thing you'll see is the phone wrapped in plastic. On this top flap, you'll find this card, almost like a seal of authenticity. Only a limited amount of these phones are sold. Next, let's lift up this flap to pick up the phone. But we'll set it aside for now. Removing this tray reveals all the accessories that come with. All are black instead of white, and there are more than what you'd usually find inside a Mate 20 box. Let's go through them one by one, shall we? First up, some premium-looking USB-C earphones. Two 45-watt supercharged chargers. One has a UK or Singapore head, the other a European plug. While it promises up to a 70% charge in 30 minutes. We're told that the thinking behind this is that the Porsche Design user is most likely also a world traveler. Of course, two USB-C cables to go along with the two chargers. Next, wrapped in plastic is a leather case and USB-C to headphone adapter. And last but not the least is this black box. On its backside, a SIM card ejector tool, and inside, warranty card and instruction booklet. Noticeably missing is the 40-watt car charger that Huawei announced at its launch event, which would have made perfect sense considering its ties to a car brand. Now let's get back to the phone. Unwrap we shall. Nice. This is definitely the phone I'd love to be rocking. In fact, I was secretly hoping for a leather Mate 20 Pro. As I alluded to, instead of just an all-glass build, this phone has genuine leather on both sides of its back, made from sustainably sourced US cowhide, taking about 4 weeks to make. It also comes in red, which they say is popular in China. On the middle of the phone is a slab of glass. If you tilt the phone back and forth, you'll notice a line that darts across the glass back from top to bottom. We're told the phone was designed with symmetry in mind. Unlike on the regular Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, the cameras on the Porsche Design Edition are flushed against the glass and don't stick out, while still keeping the phone's square arrangement. Here, take a look at it side by side with my emerald green Mate 20 Pro. The Porsche Edition is less flashy, but also very elegant. Button and port placements are the same, SIM card slot and USB-C port on the bottom, and IR blaster up top. All the buttons are on the right side, but it does not have that red accent power button that the rest of the Mate 20s have. A fingerprint scanner is also built in underneath the display. Inside, the phone is almost identical to the Mate 20 Pro, but comes with more RAM and more